Welcome to today's journey inside the human cell. There is a microscopic world packed with powerful organelles, each doing its own specialized job to keep us alive and functioning. Let's dive in. Number 1. The nucleus, the brain of the cell. The nucleus is the control center. It holds the cell's DNA, your body's instruction manual, and tells the cell what to do, when to grow, and how to divide. Inside the nucleus is the nucleolus, which makes ribosomes, the cell's protein factories. Number 2. Cytoplasm, the cell's playground. All the action happens in the cytoplasm, a jelly-like fluid that fills the cell. It's where the organelles float around and where many chemical reactions take place. Number 3. Mitochondria, the powerhouse. Meet the mitochondria, the energy producers. They take in nutrients, break them down, and create ATP, the energy currency of the cell. Without mitochondria, we'd have no energy to function. Number 4. Endoplasmic reticulum, the cell's factory. There are two types of ER. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is covered in ribosomes and helps make proteins. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no ribosomes and makes lipids, detoxifies chemicals, and stores calcium. Together, they're like a high-tech assembly line. Number 5. Golgi apparatus, the packaging center. Once proteins and lipids are made, they head to the Golgi apparatus. It modifies, packages, and ships them where they need to go, both inside and outside the cell. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi, so named as Golgi apparatus. Number 6. Ribosomes, the builders. Ribosomes are tiny but mighty. They build proteins by reading instructions from the nucleus. Some float freely in the cytoplasm, while others are attached to the rough ER. Number 7. Lysosomes, the cleaning crew. Lysosomes are like tiny recycling bins. They use enzymes to break down waste, old cell parts, or anything harmful. If the cell is in serious trouble, lysosomes can even help destroy it, a process called apoptosis. Number 8. Peroxisomes, the detox squad. Peroxisomes break down fatty acids and neutralize dangerous substances like hydrogen peroxide. They help keep the cell clean and safe. Number 9. Vesicles, the delivery vans. Vesicles are small sacs that carry materials around the cell. Think of them as delivery trucks, transporting proteins, enzymes, or waste where it needs to go. Number 10. Cytoskeleton, the cell's framework. Like a skeleton for your body, the cytoskeleton gives shape to the cell and helps it move. It also acts like a railway system, helping organelles and vesicles travel inside the cell. Number 11. Centrosomes and centrioles, the organizers. When it's time for the cell to divide, the centrosome steps in, with a pair of centrioles that organize microtubules and help pull chromosomes apart. Number 12. Cilia and flagella, the movers. Some cells have cilia, tiny hair-like structures that move fluids along. Others, like sperm cells, have a flagellum, a long tail that helps them swim. Number 13. Chromatin, DNA in action. Inside the nucleus, DNA is wrapped around proteins to form chromatin. When the cell gets ready to divide, chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. Number 14. Vacuoles, the storage units. In animal cells, vacuoles are small storage sacs. They store water, nutrients, and waste. In plant cells, they're much larger and play an even bigger role. And there you had a tour of the cell's organelles, each one doing its part to keep life going at the microscopic level. Remember, even the smallest parts of us are working 24/7 to keep us alive and well. So don't think that you are alone, because millions of white blood cells are fighting for you every second. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for